Hola, konnichiwa. Today, this is Baby, and he is my brother. And he's 4 years old. Say hi, Baby. Hi, my name's Baby. He's 4 years old. Yesterday, he had his birthday, and he turned 4. Isn't that right, Baby? And today, I'll be playing Minecraft. Now today we're not going to play a server. I'm going to create a new world using my world Savannah Temple. I'm going to do creative so y'all can see. Everything's good. I don't like peaceful because I don't want like any mobs. I'm gonna turn it always day. Let's see, always day. And with this temple, you can like ride animals. Some of them you can ride lions, elephants, giraffes, ostriches, zebras, all sorts of things that you can find out. And they have termites. They kill the animals, which is kind of messed up. Okay, so you spawn in this little. Okay, so we go outside. And plus you have jeeps. What? I'm in survival. Settings. Here. So you're like in reserve, and in the back, you have elephants, zebras. Where are the giraffes? The giraffes are missing for some reason. We have our ostriches. We have our elephants. Here's the inside. Here's the learning area. Here's a library. Here's our library. Here's like the whole map of the whole place. There's a volcano and stuff. This is our gift shop. It's like we have a car manual, apples, paper, compasses, rooms. We have 6 rooms. We got a storage area, 2 storage areas, 1 up, 1 down. And we have our mother tree, which is right here. And it's like pretty much you have a volcano this way, you have termite forest over there, and you have like quests you can do. Your mine shaft. Here's a witch hut. And also there's hyenas that will kill you. So watch out for the hyenas. And there's like, you have wheat over there. Yeah, there's the mine over there. You have like a little witch hut. Has like a spell book and everything. We have this right here. And that's like pretty much the wildlife here. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video that I wanted to show you guys. So like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. And by the way, I don't think there will be any merch on my channel. So no merch on this channel. and on your channel, because I don't really want to do like spend a lot of money on merch. Guys, we're not actually rich. So goodbye. Konnichiwa.